Hi, I'm Susan, and I'm going to show you how to enter dates into an Excel spreadsheet. If you want to use all the fabulous features available within Excel to work with and analyze dates, it's important that the dates are entered correctly. You need to ensure that dates are entered as values rather than as text. This is done by entering a date using the / or the hyphen. Once the date is entered, note that the Format list box on the ribbon displays date. From here, you can choose to display the date in a short or long format. Or you can type the date in full using the month's name, but again, you can change this if you wish. If a date is entered in any other way, it will be entered as text and will have a limited purpose. If a date is entered as a value, Excel will read this date as a number. This numbering starts from the 1st of January 1900, which has the number 1, and the 2nd of January 1900 has the number 2, and so on. You will see this when you turn on Show Formulas, which you can do from the Formulas tab and by selecting Show Formulas. The number for each date you have entered will be displayed. This means that when you use a date in a formula, Excel will use the number for the calculation, but will display the resulting date. If you enter dates into a spreadsheet in the format just described, you will be able to use these in Formula with the auto filter, pivot tables, and so on.